Morphett.
Okay, so here we have the Panasonic CZ-RTC5B controller, as you can see, and at the moment we've got the economy mode. You can see that little symbol just here, and you can also see it on the controller here. So the issue with that, while it sounds good in theory, what it's doing is essentially governing the compressor to save energy, but it just means that, you know, on days like today, it's proposed 43 degrees, the compressor's not going to ramp up and do what you want. So we've also been told that it also can flick between cooling mode back to heating, and looking into it, it's like a auto return mode. So what we want to do first of all is just hit that menu button there. We want to scroll all the way down to energy saving, number 10. See there? Just focusing, right, okay. So hit the middle return arrow, and you'll see it says there, temperature auto return. So let's just have a look in there and see what's going on. So I'll hit the middle button there, and you'll see here that it says heat. See it's got the tick there? Got the tick there. And what it's saying is it's going to revert back to heating in 10 minutes, in this case, to heating on 16 degrees. Oops. You see that there? In 10 minutes, 16 degrees, and it's ticked. So what we're going to do is arrow down to that, and then hit the right arrow, I think it is. Let's just check. Yeah. So you'll see the tick's gone now. Okay, and then we want to go back. We're also going to have a look in temperature range as well. Just make sure that's not doing anything we don't want it to do. So just go again into temperature range, and you'll see there it's got the tick next to heat 16 degrees with the temperature range there. So I want to arrow down to that, and again hit the right arrow to make that tick disappear. Now it's unticked, everything's unticked. Okay, now we want to go back out. Again and again. Okay, but the energy saving mode is still active, so we want to also turn that off. So we'll press the button here for energy saving. Oops, try it again. Okay, now it says energy saving is off, and you'll see that the symbol is gone too. So that should get you back on track. Cheers.
Morphett.